dangerous and they have big...
For my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Yes, yeah!
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Will you turn that?
You want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder.
and unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
We will build it! To get the sand? I think he went to the beach.
The youngsters will pay you.
So no matter what happens this Christmas, I hope you get to spend it with your loved one.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it in!
Segundo puesto encontramos a Chick. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este... what's in store.
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen.
Aquí recto. ¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Know him? This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you. The Sistine Chapel. On wheels. I'm coming for you, Storm.
Don't forget to tip the wait. No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't...
He's gonna fly!
Living life in the fast lane.
Oh, you were you? Were you rich?
What?
Gave up the piston cup. You know that?
This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.